Hey, Coach Greg here at Svelte Training. Today we're going to be doing a back fat burner with dumbbells. This is going to be great if you feel like you have some extra stuff back here you just want to get rid of. This should be quick, this should be easy, this should be fun, it should be a great time. Let's get started. So we're going to be doing 2 sets. The first set is going to be me more explaining and demonstrating the exercises while you follow along, while that second set will be a more complete run through. It's going to be great, so feel free to grab some dumbbells, whichever weight you feel is appropriate for you. I have some 10s, I should probably be doing 5s, maybe 15s, we don't know, we'll see as we go on. Without further ado, let's get right into that first exercise. All right, we're going to be doing some bent over rows to start this off. What you're going to want to do is stand feet shoulder width apart. You want to have a strong base. You're just going to want to dumbbells in hand. You want to hinge at the waist. You don't want to be all the way down like here or like this. You just want to be kind of like a 45-degree angle like so. And all we're doing is making sure our arms are straight and we're just squeezing those dumbbells back. You're going to feel it all the way back here. Because again, we're trying to burn that fat right here, baby. Really squeeze. Try to pin your arms to your side. We don't want to be doing whatever. We just want to make sure we are going a straight line, pulling it, squeezing it. You may feel like your chest open as well. Bring it right back down, just like that. So you can keep your arms like in this position, or if you feel more comfortable holding them more like this, you can do this as well. But for now, I'm just going to do more of a hammer grip curl. So grab your dumbbells, get in position, and here we go. Really squeeze back muscles, that mind-body connection. Let's do 2 more. Squeeze, 1 more, squeeze, 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 and done. Good job. Next, we have some wood choppers. From one side, reach as high as you can, and you're just swinging it down to the side as you pivot on your back foot or this foot, and really into this knee. So we're focusing on twisting our core over. We reach high. Bam. We're gonna do 15 seconds each side. Let's go. Right now. There we go. Bam. Really focus on facing front. Don't try to twist over too much. You're gonna feel it in your legs, but specifically back of your arms. All back up here, especially in your lats when you stretch all the way up. All right, let's switch sides. Here we go, and bam. Reach high, bring it down. Your arm's gonna be burning. Back's gonna be feeling good. Let's do 2 more. 1 and 2. Good stuff. All right, next we have some back flies. You're gonna wanna grab your dumbbells. If they're too heavy, feel free to put them down. The main thing is we're really focusing on that squeeze on the fly. You're gonna wanna get in a bent over position, kind of like what you were with the bent over rows, except we're gonna be a little more parallel to the ground. And all we're doing is holding our arms straight. If you need a bend, have a little crook in your elbow like so. We're just raising those dumbbells and we're trying to touch our shoulder blades together. I know that sounds so weird, like, Greg, what are you talking about? But all we really wanna do is just try to squeeze it. 30 seconds, over, really squeeze, hold it at the top if you feel so inclined, or just flying away with these back flies. There it is, great stuff. Squeeze, I'm feeling it, we're trying to burn that fat, baby. Couple more, make sure you're breathing. 3, 2, 1, hold. And whew, that felt good. Moving right along, we have the upright row. You're gonna wanna be standing upright. And all we're doing is we're gonna hold your dumbbells, palms facing you, as I'm doing. And we're just gonna try to bring those dumbbells as high as we can, lifting our elbows. It's up to you. I mean, like, I prefer you not try to just like throw it up past your face. There's no contest for how high you can raise it. The goal is we're just trying to work these delts, these traps all up in here. As we raise it up, try to keep a straight line. There it is. Almost as if you're like, I don't know, like a towel or a sheet. Just try to keep it straight up. like that. You just want to hold at the top for a little bit. You're going to feel a little squeeze, little tension there. That's good, no worries. I'm just going to drop it right back down. You got 30 seconds. Here we go. There it is, hold at the top, squeeze, yep. Yeah, buddy. There it is. Just like that, just so you can see. Definitely gonna feel it in your back. And that's what this is for. I mean, you're gonna feel it in your shoulders as well, but just that whole region here, upper back, shoulder, everything's connected, so you don't want to have any imbalances. It's not putting further strain and stuff on. You don't want some muscles working harder than they should when in different positions. If that makes any sense, I think it does. Let's just do one more. And release, good stuff. All right, last on the docket, we have straight arm extensions. Now, if your dumbbell is light enough, you can use 2 of them, but I'm just gonna use 1. You just wanna grab right in front of you, extend your arms, almost try to like lock your arms, don't like hyperextend anything, but really just squeeze. You wanna push the dumbbell together. We're gonna focus on an isometric hold here. As we're squeezing and tensing our muscles, we're just gonna raise it right in front of us, try to get parallel to the ground. You can go a little higher if you want, but it's not really needed. You just wanna squeeze and push it out as far in front of you. So you wanna almost like push out and squeeze in. And we're just raising, extending our arms just like that. You're gonna feel it all up in your arms, your triceps, all the way back here. It's gonna feel glorious, it's gonna be awesome. We have 30 seconds, grab your dumbbell, let's get ready and begin. Just really focus on that squeeze. It is not about how fast or how heavy you can lift. Really just wanna focus on the isometric hold. Because if you are really squeezing your muscles, this is gonna fatigue you. My arms are already shaking. There it is. Make sure you're breathing. Yep, just like that. There it is. We got a couple more seconds. Let's do one more. Really squeeze, 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 squeeze. Hold and drop, just not on your feet. Take note of the time of this video if you want to come back to this moment to do some rounds back to back to back without me talking through the whole thing. All right, 30 seconds, bent over rows. Three, 2, and 1. All right, get ready. We have wood choppers. Grab your dumbbell. 30 seconds, get in position, and here we go. Switch sides. One more. Bam. All right, we have some back flies. Here we go. Two more. Good stuff. All right, we're gonna go right into upright rows. 30 seconds. There you go. Three seconds. 3, 2, hold at the top, and release. Last but not least, we have straight arm extensions. Grab your dumbbell. Remember, focusing on that squeeze. You got 30 seconds. Stand tall, stand proud. And here we go. Really focus on squeezing. Squeezing and pushing out. There it is, just like that. Really extend. You're doing amazing. Almost done. 3, 2, hold at the top, hold, and drop. Whew. Well, there you have it. That was your back fat burner with dumbbells. I hope you had as much fun as I did. So please share this video with friends who feel like they need to burn some of that back fat. Click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. I will see you next time. I'm Coach Greg. Peace out.